The most important part for us as Hilti is the possibility to track now the performance level of our carriers with a neutral, independent platform.
Hilti was founded in 1941 in Liechtenstein with 34,000 people and present in 120 countries. Hilti is a family-owned company and a global leader in solutions for construction professionals, providing hardware, software and services. It has an end-to-end supply chain from raw materials to end customers, including a wide range of products like batteries, long goods or sensitive products. We chose Wakeo for its customer-centric approach, its coverage on sea freight and also a good accuracy with 85% 10 days before arrival.
Also, an important part of Wakeo is the neutral analytic functions, which allows us to analyze our data more efficient and to take better decisions overall. With the beginning of the carrier integration, Wakeo shows extremely flexibility to integrate our global partners in global sea freight for Hilti. Wakeo offers our internal users and colleagues from a global perspective a platform where they can find easily their shipments, they find their ETA dates and also they see when the ship arrives.
A big benefit for us is a connected platform to SAP, allowing us to update the arrival time and then have the right inventory in our systems.
To summarize, Wakeo supports us in the best possible way to overcome challenges in the market and find always the best approach to fulfill our requirements.